guess what it is? Of course you can. I love Halloween, and I like happy Halloween. I don't like really scary stuff. But today we're going to do something that's going to be your creation, making your own thing and creating your own thing. It's your own style. It's what you like. What I got is a Gorilla Glue gun. I got that in Amazon, and I got these things in the dollar store. Little spiders. And maybe I'll put little things like this on my headband. Maybe something like this. It's your style. If you see something you like and you can create, that's how people start businesses. Because somebody will say, oh, I like that headband. And you'll say, oh, could you make it for me? And you might make it for them, and voila, you have a business. It's done. And I kind of really like it. I think it looks kind of glamorous. Do you like this? I make one for my daughter too. I think she's gonna like it, don't you? Give it as a gift or something. It's your own creation, and you go into a store and you say, I might not like that, but I think something else, and you create it, which is great. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Can you guess what it is? Of course you can. It's Halloween, and I love Halloween. I really do. And I like happy Halloween. I don't like really scary stuff. I like kind of cute stuff. I like my witch here, Zelda I call her. And my booty, I like that. But today we're going to do something that's going to be your creation. And I think, the thing is with making your own thing and creating your own thing, it's your own style. It's what you like. So, come into my craft corner. Let's have a cup of coffee with me. There's all occasions for coffee, right? So what I got is a Gorilla Glue gun. I got that in Amazon, and I got these things in the dollar store. Little spiders. And I'm going to put that on my headband. And maybe I'll put little things like this on my headband. We'll see as we go. Maybe something like this. And I took these stars off my booty. And it's your style. If you see something you like and you can create it, people, that's how people start businesses. Because somebody will say, oh, I like that headband. And you'll say, oh, could you make it for me? And you might make it for them, and voila, you have a business that people like, and people will say, that's your own style. Or you might say, I'm going to make you a headband your style. What do you like on it? And that's how people have started businesses. So it's kind of fun, and it is fun creating. I love to create. I mean, I've made so many things. I've made jackets that I wore and stand up. And it was really my own creation. And people would go, I love your jacket. Where'd you get it? Well, I made it. So that's kind of what you can do too. So come into my craft corner. Let's create a headband that you're going to love. And like if you don't like this kind of things, you go in the dollar store or Michael's and you say, I don't like this, but I like this. This is going to be my style, and this is going to be me. And that's what I like. So come on into my craft corner and let's make a headband that you're going to love. Now is the fun part to create. I'm going to put a spider right there. Cute little spider. What do you think? And then maybe a little green spider on the other side. I think that I'm going to do that. About right here. It wants to stay on there. It's clawy. Huh? It's got claws. Woo. And right here, you want to press that on so it stays. I love hot glue guns. And what about a little bit of pizzazz? Maybe I'll put that here as well with the pumpkin. What do you think? I kind of like that. You can even let that hang if you wanted, which is kind of cute. I might not do that though, because it might just come off. So let's just put a little stuff on there. Put the pumpkin like right under here. Stay, come on. just maybe want to hold it a minute. And let me see, how about a star? That color star I like, right here. I think that looks pretty good. And then maybe a gold star here. I mean, this is your creation. It's whatever that you like or you enjoy. I like stars. Kind of want to work that under a little bit. You can work these any way you want. Let's get that. Yeah. Okay, that's it. How is it looking so far? It's pretty cute. And maybe a little, let me see. How about a skeleton over on this side? I think that would be kind of cute. Over here. And maybe put this skeleton right underneath. I think that's kind of cute, don't you? I really do. So we're going to come back and I'm going to try this on and I'll let you see how pretty it looks. Or not. But I think it is. And like I said, it's your creation. It's whatever you like. It's whatever you want to have on your headband. So come back and let's take a look. So it's done. And I kind of really like it. I think it looks kind of glamorous. Do you like this? I do. And I made one for my daughter too. I think she's going to like it, don't you? That's the thing, you know, you give it as a gift or something. It's your own creation. And, you know, you go into a store and you say, you know, I might not like that, but I like something else. And, you know, you create it, which is great. I love this kind of thing. I love to create. I love to cook. I love fashion. I also have a lot of vintage fashion, which is really pretty good. I love leather. I love hats. I just love heels and booties. I'm a sucker for that stuff. So really, I mean, I remember having a job just to buy clothes because I love clothes. I like looking good. You know, I like going out and wearing cute clothes. I think it kind of, you know, represents you. If you wear a nice outfit, it's like, it's you. You know, you could wear like anything you want. So come again, like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Come again, we'll be cooking up a storm, or I'm a fitness instructor. I love to exercise. I love keeping in shape. Making muscle. That's what I like. So come again to Annie's Craft Corner. Have a real nice day.